Taking the CAAT? We can help. Complete Canadian Adult Achievement Test online course prepared by a dedicated team of exam experts has everything you need to pass the CAAT. This comprehensive online course has practice questions, tutorials, plus tips and tricks for increasing your score. Includes all content areas with hundreds of practice questions. Includes quizzes where you get immediate feedback on your answer. Practice taking the test at home includes timed tests just like the real thing. Take the test, then download the questions with a complete answer key showing step-by-step solutions. Also included are multiple choice strategies from exam experts. Learn multiple choice tips and strategies to answer questions faster and increase your score. Includes a bonus chapter on how to increase your vocabulary. Includes powerful techniques to boost your vocabulary and hundreds of extra questions. With this online course, you can study anywhere, anytime, and on any device. Practice tests are a critical self-assessment tool that reveals your strengths and weaknesses, familiarize you with the exam format and types of questions, build your self-confidence, and practice your exam time management. All of these can make a huge difference in your score. Practice tests also reduce test anxiety, one of the main reasons for low marks on an exam. Practice makes perfect. The more questions you see, the more likely you are to pass the test. Register now and start practicing to increase your score today.